Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Samuel Joshua and this is 𝐬𝐻 Logistics. So here we discuss about arbitrage, how you can make money online, and most especially e-commerce and mini importation. Okay, so in today's tutorial, if you are a first time subscriber, or if you are a first timer, if this is your first time of seeing my YouTube channel, what you want to do is to subscribe to join my YouTube channel. And if you are also a return subscriber, thank you guys for coming back to watch my video. I love you guys and you deserve more accolades, so thank you guys. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking much better on how you can make a payment with Google Ads. Okay, I believe before now you must have been finding it very difficult to make a payment or to add your bank card. This is something that you want to learn today, because I'm going to be taking you a step-by-step tutorial on how to go about it. Before now, we used to have two different payment methods with Google. Okay, if you are running adverts with Google, we used to have different payment method. The first one is automatic, where you have to just add your bank card, and after you add your bank card, Google will borrow you a sum of amount of dollars, where you get to be running adverts with these dollars. So once you reach your threshold, they will definitely charge that card, maybe $50 or $20 or $30. But if should in case you fall into the manual payment, this is the process where you have to make a payment first before your advert can start running. So now what I'm going to be showing you is exact way I make a payment, the method I use to make a payment. I've run an advert. In my own case, I fall in automatic. So those Google borrow me money to run this advert, and I'm going to be making a payment. I'm owing them $20, all right, but I'm going to be making a part payment of $8, and where I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so stay connected and let's dive into the tutorial. So alright guys, here comes my browser right now. You can use, depending on the phone you are using, you can use Safari, you can use Chrome, and you can use anyone, but I think preferable one is Chrome. Okay, so if you are using Android or anyone, it is compatible with it. So what you want to do now is to input ads.google.com and make sure anything you are doing must be on desktop version. So now let me switch this version to a desktop version, where I'm going to be clicking request for desktop version. All right, so clicking on that will still retain me on this page. What I want to do in this case is to click on this start now. All right, so I'm trying to log into my ads account now to show you how it works properly. So let's wait for this guy to load, why is going to be taking me directly to my ads account. After waiting for that page to load, it automatically takes me to this page, and this is an ad account that I created. You can see this date, 30 of December 2020. All right, but I'm going to be switching from this account now to the account that I'm presently running advert for. So in this case, you come to this guy here. Let me try to zoom in. I'm trying to zoom in now. So now you come here, let me scroll up. You come here to change the email. All right, so now talking of the email, you can see that this is the present ads account that I'm managing. So I'm going to be switching to 𝐬𝐻 Logistics here, and is going to load my ads account properly, and I'm going to be giving you the proper view on how I've been managing to run the adverts on automatic and how much this guy has been fetching me. So now I've not paid Google. Try to zoom this load. Now you can see that we have over 730 views on just this advert. This is the advert that you can see that it's telling me that I should make a payment towards your overdue account balance, right? So now this is what we want to do today. I want to make payments now. Let me try to zoom in this guy. So now you can see that I've spent over, let me go to what you want to do in this case is to click on billing. You can see billing here. So you click on billing now. Billing, after clicking on billing will take you here. What you want to do is to click on summary to check and see the overall activities of your account. So this is what this guy is going to be showing you, and make sure everything you want to do is in desktop version so you can see all these things properly. All right, so let me wait for this guy to load and see what we'll have. You can see that this payment is supposed to due by July 1st, and this is just June. I'm recording this video for June. So now I have already reached my threshold of $10, which I have to make a payment for. Remember, this advert is running on automatic, and I was supposed to pay $10. So what I want to do, the reason why you are seeing this surface like this is simply because I'm using my Safari. If at all I'm using browser, it would have been get better than this. But guys, that's not the cash. Let me click on make payments here now, and it's going to take me to the next surface where I have to make a payment. You can see that they said I'm having outstanding balance of $10.15. So this is where I'm going to be making my payment now, and you can see that my card is ending with this number and it is a MasterCard. So what I want to do is to click on this guy here now, then input my outstanding balance of $10.15 and make this payment directly. Although I can make more payments than this $10, because if I'm to make, let me say, if I'm to make $12 payments here, I will definitely receive the balance on my prepared balance. All right, so let's assume I want to make a balance of maybe $11 here. You know, I'm only owing these guys $10.15, but if I'm to make $11 now, I'll still have my balance. Now let's get into it. Let me try to zoom out a little bit and click on make payments here, and you can see it's trying to confirm that I'm making a payment with this card. And what I want to do is to confirm. Click on confirm here, and once I click on confirm, automatically my card will be charged directly. See what we'll have in this page right now, because my card is going to be charged. You can see that it's telling me that this payment could not be processed, maybe due to the fact that my account is not up to this amount. So if I'm to balance up to this amount now, they will definitely charge my account, and definitely I will be able to make payments with this card. Now let me click on got it and go and make use of the second option, because we have two different options you can use to make payments. Here where we have new form for payment required, you click on it, you click on fix it, and fix it will take you to another payment gateway. You can see that they are telling me that I have insufficient fund for this balance for this card. If at all I'm having sufficient balance now, this card will make a payment directly. Now let me still try to click on continue here to see if this card will be charged or not. Now you can see they are telling me that the payment has already been updated. This simply means that I've already made this payment, and the reason why that is not going is simply because we have sent at the front. Okay, so now if I'm to click on OK now, you will see that the payment will be automatically be removed.